Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, how are you today?
I'm great, Paul, and I'm excited because today's topic is very useful.
Yes. Many students tell me, I know words, but I can't speak.
That's true. I feel the same when learning a new language.
So today, we will help them with 10 daily use English sentences.
Exactly. Simple sentences you can use every day.
Let's start with the first sentence. How are you doing? It means you are asking about someone's feelings.
Good one. The second is, can you help me, please? We use it when we need help. Always say, please.
Number 3, I don't understand. This sentence is very important for learners.
Yes. Don't be shy. Number 4 is, can you repeat that? Use it when someone speaks fast.
Number 5, that sounds good. You can use it to agree with an idea.
Nice. Number 6, I'm sorry for being late. It shows respect and good manners.
Number 7, what do you mean? This helps you understand better.
Exactly. Number 8, I will try my best. This sentence is full of hope.
I love that one. Number 9, thank you so much. Gratitude is very powerful.
And the last one, number 10, I'm learning English. Say it with confidence. Be proud.
That's true. Speaking simple sentences daily builds confidence.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to speak.
Yes, small daily practice brings big results.
Mistakes are part of learning. I feel the same when I make them.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Believe in yourself. You are doing great. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.